Hey everyone, welcome back. We always keep an eye on AIagentstore.ai for interesting new AI tools.
Always something's popping up there.
Yeah, and today we spotted one aimed squarely at the education sector. We wanted to take a closer look.
Get a feel for what it does, right?
What?
Without drowning in the tech specs.
Exactly. So this one's called Edexia.
Edexia. And from what we gathered, it's basically an AI assistant for grading, built for teachers, educators.
Okay, so AI grading, is it just about speed or is there more to it?
Well, it seems the core idea is providing personalized assessment feedback. It learns from the teacher's own input and corrections.
Ah, I see. So it tries to match their specific standards across different subjects too.
That seems to be the goal, yeah.
Yeah.
Maintaining that consistency with how an individual teacher actually grades.
That sounds potentially really useful. Keeps things fair for students.
And the site mentions some key features like rubric-based evaluation.
Okay, so teachers define the grading rules first.
Right. They set the criteria. Then the AI generates feedback based on those rules, supposedly in real time.
Real-time feedback. Wow. And integration. Does it play nice with other school software?
It mentions integration with existing educational tools, yeah.
Yeah.
That's always a big consideration for practical adoption.
Definitely. Who do they see using this mainly?
The listing targets teachers, obviously, but also academic coordinators, curriculum developers, even education consultants.
So anyone really involved in assessment and curriculum design?
Pretty much. Anyone looking for consistency, maybe wanting to claw back some time from marking papers.
Makes sense. Now, they list an autonomy level, 86%. What does that actually translate to in practice?
Good question. It suggests it automates a fair bit of the workflow after you set it up.
Like handling uploads, applying the rubrics, drafting feedback, that sort of thing.
Exactly. And this is important, the educator still defines the criteria initially and, crucially, reviews the output.
So it's not fully automatic. The teacher's still in the driver's seat.
Precisely. It's support, not replacement. You set the rules, you check the work. It handles the more repetitive parts.
Okay, I can picture that. Teacher gets a first pass done by the AI based on their rubric, and then they can focus their energy on the more nuanced comments, right?
That seems to be the value proposition. Automating grading, ensuring consistency, saving teacher time, those are the use cases highlighted.
And that integration piece helps slot it into their existing routine, hopefully.
Yeah, less disruption is always better.
What about cost and access?
It's a freemium model. So likely a free basic tier with paid options for more features.
Standard stuff. And code access.
Closed source. Also pretty typical for commercial software like this.
Right. And it's tagged under education, ed tech, things like AI grading assistant, personalized feedback, teacher-controlled AI.
Those tags really nail the positioning, don't they? Teacher-controlled is key, addressing potential concerns about AI taking over.
Yeah, emphasizes the human oversight. Is there any sense of how it's viewed in the community?
There's a note saying it's considered comparable to other tools in the edtech space.
Okay, so it's not completely unknown. It has some recognition.
Yeah, suggests some level of awareness or maybe adoption. It's solving a problem people recognize. Of course, more detailed opinions are behind their premium access.
Naturally. And if people want more detail now...
This site apparently has a How Does Edexia Work section and a video page. Good places to dig deeper.
Okay, so wrapping up, tools like Edexia seem to be about offering practical support for educators.
Helping manage workload, maybe improve the consistency and speed of feedback for students.
Yeah, it's interesting to see AI being framed as an assistant in that way.
It really makes you think, doesn't it? How AI can augment what people do in all sorts of professions, not just replace tasks.
Food for thought. Well, if you want to explore Edexia or other AI agents for different tasks, you can always check out AIagentstore.ai.
Good resource for seeing what's out there.
Absolutely. Thanks for tuning into our chat today.
Yeah, thanks everyone. And we always appreciate you rating the conversation.